Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate the paper into your website. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically I have done the integration with the PayPal. Sometimes we have a pricing plans, right? So I want to directly pay with the pricing plans. If I go to reload, here you can see that the PayPal buttons are there. When I click on the basic plan of PayPal 10, so here you can see that the amount is 10 over here. Okay, so you can just complete the purchase. If I go with the next one, that is 20, I will do the 20 part. Okay, so here we go with the 20 payment, complete the here you can see that you can change the balance, credit card, Visa. So I complete the purchase. Okay, so here you can see that it will come over here and it will say that okay, payment completed by the John. And here you can see, if I go to the consoles, I think I haven't added, no, I haven't opened it. So let's go and check the payments. So here we go with the sandbox account. Let me log in with that account. $20 payment should be come at March 5. Let's see. Now here you can see that the $20 amount is completed right now. Here is a March. Currently there is a PST. The time is PST over here, not the IST, right? So $20 amount is done. Okay, so you can see that, right? The quantity and all. So this is how you can done the payment, integrate the gateway into your websites, right? So how we had done this, let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here we go with this one. So this is the HTML part, right? So any HTML part you can make it like div container. So here I'm choosing the pricing plan. So this is the ID where we are just adding the PayPal buttons when the JavaScript runs. Okay, so make sure this ID should be there. This should be the basic, this should be the standard, and this should be, you can say, about the premium. Okay, these are the plans. After this we have to call the PayPal JavaScript SDK with the client ID. So make sure you have to add the client ID like this. Okay. After adding the client ID, so here we have the render PayPal button. Okay. So create order function, purchase units, value, and the currency you need to pass. Okay. After this, on approve, you can alert that the details of the pair name or whatever data you want to render, you can render. You can console that part. Okay. On approve. So on error, there is error, and here we are rendering on the behalf of the container ID. Press container ID. Okay, you can see that we have the container IDs for each and everything. Okay, if I go on here, you can see that the PayPal ID for the premium. Here you can see that we have the PayPal for the standard. Okay, so we have rendered that buttons. Otherwise, you can just go to the PayPal and create a button over there and just add it if you want that one. Okay, so here you can see that on each and every button I have rendered the prices with their button IDs. Okay, so you can just do like this and close the script. Okay, and automatically the payment will go over here, right? So any redirection when the payment is done or something is done, you can redirect to the somewhere part, right? So if I go with just when my payment is done or approved transaction is completed by this, I will just redirect to the another page or thank you page so that it will come over here. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. So this is how you are able to integrate the PayPal into your website. Okay, HTML website, you can integrate like this way, or you can normally use the button of the PayPal. When you go to the PayPal settings, let me show you. Let me go with the PayPal developer. So here we have to go. So here you can see that. Let me log in first. So I reached to that one. Okay, so here we have the solutions. You can see standard PayPal checkout, or if I click on this one, integration. So here you can see that you will able to go with the integrations, right? So Next, add the sandbox accounts. Make a text payment. Here you can see the client ID, client to make a test payment. When you go live, upgrade the business account. This is different one. So here we have the everything is there in that one. Here you can check out buttons. So here we go with let me check this one. So if you want to go for, accept the online payments, payouts. Okay, so here there is a here they are providing you the checkout button, so you can just go and just add the checkout button over here. Okay, so they are providing currently. I don't where it is currently, so I think integration builder maybe help it over here. PayPal standard. Here you can see that standard. Okay, and now select the payment like this, pay later, and here you can see that they have the code like this. App.js code is there, or you can say checkout.html. If you want, just copy and paste this script and you will get this vertical layout button and everything. Okay, so here you can see that we have everything demo sample, so you can just copy and paste it. You will able to just do the payment part. Here you can see that the PayPal button like this, it will come over here, or you can make it in a React, Node, or whatever language. You can go to check out this. Okay, so this is how you are able to integrate the button, or you can integrate the PayPal into your website. Any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.